Hello lads and welcome back to Xenoclash 2. I picked my two brothers, I talked to my sister in previous part, and now I'm going to open that Thieves Gates. That's what the name is. Oh, whoa, whoa, what is this? Who are those? Oh shit! Where are my allies? What the hell? Not cool, mate. No, not cool. Holy shit, that's a lot of enemies. Oh shit, I'm totally out of stamina. It might be best to run. I mean, there are just too many and my allies are nowhere. I don't understand why. I clicked on both of them to appear. None of them did. So I think this is the best solution. The smartest at least. Run, Forest. Okay. Now I need to go back to that location where my sister is. I think it's called Beach or Coast. Something like that. I should just follow the marker and should be there shortly. Oh, these annoying featherless crows. How should I call it? They do not possess a threat, but they are sometimes hard to aim at because they are so small. And then they are annoying. But 2 shots and they're done. That's what matters the most. Oh, potato sack head. Perfect move for them. Oh yes, that must have hurt. Stomp it! Okay, I'm depleting my stamina too fast. I should stop running, concentrate more on battles. But not with these guys, they're useless and boring. Talking about real battles. Now this looks more like it. Or maybe not. Dance for me, come on. Bam! Who's this? I have no idea. It's like a lightning of some sort. Somehow this scenery has changed, if I'm not mistaken. Ah, here I am at Thieves Gates. Oh, there's going to be a big battle ahead. I can smell it. No, that's just me, I smell. What the fuck are you? Ah, that was cool. Might as well pick your weapon and finish you with it. Finally, my allies have spawned. What is it shooting? Balls. Pretty weird. Check out the beard of this guy. Yeah, not gonna work, mate. Shit, he disarmed me. Now I'm gonna stomp your head in, witch, bitch. Now come at me, ninja. That's right. You got a mace to the head if you do. So feel free. Oh, we have an elephant again. These guys hit hard. Yeah. Who's tougher, my mace or you? Oh, nice, a bug. Bam, stomp, bam, elephant, you're done. Oh. More fighting, and my sisters are here.
Gat, this isn't right. We shouldn't have let you go fight for us.
It's all right, Dandra.
No, we can't be afraid of someone just because it will bring reinforcements. Halston's influence and the Golem, they will get here eventually.
Exactly what I think. That's why I want to find a way to get rid of the Golem.
How are you going to do that? He's linked to all of us. If you hurt him, we suffer too.
We know of two places, two Golem houses where we might find an answer. One is the Golem's house in the north, which Dandra and I know. The other one is on an island.
We could go to the north. I know the Golem's house, and Advent knows the desert better than anyone.
The three of us, we can handle it.
Don't leave just yet. The end of the world isn't safe.
Don't worry. We should be here preparing for a while before we leave.
Okay, after this fight, I should do what? Talk with some of my sisters, brothers, whatever they are. So-called family. And we are off to new adventures. And I have a gun to go with me. Tyrion is afraid of the ocean. He will not travel with you on the boat. Come on, give me a break. So we are going on an island. Is this the end of chapter 1? Maybe it is.
I've seen walls like these. It's like in the north end of the world I saw before.
Okay, I'll conclude this part with this. Reaching the island part, and then in the next one I will explore everything I can here. Fight some enemies as usual, and continue the story. So be sure to tune in for more of Xenoclash.